And once we know how much each class we design rates to collect that amount of revenue. Just know that rates are not arbitrarily picked out of thin air. We have to meet Prop 218. There's a process to design and calculate rates. And we know how much each class owes from the cost of service. And when we take your fixed charges and the rates that we design, we multiply by all your customers, you end up with the cost to serve each class. So it's kind of circular, right? We design rates, and when you multiply by all the customers, we end up with your total revenue requirement. This is your current rate structure. Up at the top, you have single-family customers. So a typical home has a couple different meter sizes, and there's a fixed charge by meter size. And then there's a volumetric rate by tier, shown on the right. Tier 1 goes from 0 to 9. You pay $3.31. Tier 2 goes from 9 to 15. The rate goes up a little bit. And then Tier 3. And then similar for your other classes, you have again the fixed charge and then tiered rates. And in order to not end up like San Juan Capistrano and to make sure we meet Prop 218, to derive rates, we establish unit rates by each bucket, and we add those four together to come up with the total volumetric rate for each tier. And this provides the basis for your tiered rates. And so to summarize rate setting, many cities and water agencies perform rate studies to ensure that rates keep up with the cost to serve water. Rate studies are conducted to ensure that a utility's financial health is maintained and that Oxnard is on a course toward meeting future financial obligations. Rate setting follows guidance from the American Water Works Association, and the public is encouraged to provide input throughout this process. And that's why we have a number of meetings that Gina will talk about.
Thank you. Which one is advanced?
The big.
Okay.